Hey Sabrina, this is Jason from Virginia Beach Web Designs. Thank you for taking my call earlier today, and thank you for clicking on this video. We're going to briefly show you 3 easy ways to improve your website so you can start bringing in more customers. If you're wondering why I'm making this video for you, it's really simple. There's a lot of business owners out there who don't have the time to learn how to make the internet work for them and bring in more customers. One of the things that's holding them back from hiring a marketing agency is they don't know who is an expert and who is not. So I found by making these attack plans and giving them away for free, some business owners will do this work themselves. Some call me back and ask for some help. So if you want some help with this, give me a call and we can chat. If you want to do it yourself, please do. I'm here to help as many businesses and business owners as I can. So I want to talk to you today about content, backlinks, and citations. So first off, looking at your website, it's a great looking website. It's an awesome emblem here, logo, and I like that you're a veteran-owned and family-operated. I'm also veteran-owned. Um, Website looks great. It flows well. It's easy on the eyes. It's got lots of great attributes. Unfortunately, Google does not rank you based on how your website looks. They rank based on content. Okay, so content is all the words and pictures and things that you can see on your front page. All right. And so, what Google wants to do is they want to put the customer in front of the website that's going to answer all their questions. That's generally going to be the website that has the most content. Okay. With higher content, you're also going to have more of the keywords that customers are searching for. Okay. So you guys, I believe we looked at you guys having 360 words of content. Okay, so not bad, but if you're going to want to rank in Google, you're going to want to have anywhere from 1,500 to 2,000 words of content because the average front page on Google has 1,900 words of content. Okay, so that's the first thing I would say is we're going to want to bump up your content. Along with that, bring some more keywords. So after that, you're going to want to make yourself trustworthy, and Google judges you based off how many other websites are linking to you. So you want relevant, powerful links from websites. So other plumbing companies, other tradesmen need to be referring you. Okay, and these are called backlinks. Okay, so if we go into Ahrefs, which is a nice 50 little tool I have here, I can look in the backside of websites, and basically the backlink game isn't working for you. You only have 6 referring domains. They're giving you 387, but that's not giving you any traffic. So I'm assuming a lot of these are spammy type links, and they're not working for you. They're actually working against you. Okay, so if you want to have a look at what your competition is doing, here's Atomic Plumbing. They rank #1 on organic traffic for Virginia Beach Plumbing, and look at the traffic value they're getting. Okay, so I don't think that you would pass up anywhere close to $10,000 worth of traffic value every month, and all we have to do this is go and look at their referring domains and request backlinks from those same referring domains they're using. It's free and it doesn't take any time at all, and it can work just for you, just like it's working for them. Okay, so this is very important. You can see the value in it, right? Cool. So the last thing, when someone types in Virginia Beach plumber, okay, when someone types that in, they're looking to buy. Okay, they're going to call the first plumber that shows up that looks trustworthy. So you want to be that plumber. Those are the easiest customers to close. Right here, people skip these ads, and the reason why they skip them is they're leery of them. They don't trust them, or they've had a bad experience, or they may even have an ad blocker that doesn't allow them to see them. Okay, so the golden ticket here is being in this Google Map Pack, this Google My Business area right here. And how you get here is through citations. And citations are your address, name, address, and phone number on directories on the web. And the more, the better. Okay, and directories are like Facebook, LinkedIn, Yellow Pages, Yelp, Angie's List, Home Advisor, probably ones you're doing business with already or at least have heard of. Okay, so the more citations, the more directories you're in, the easier it is to rank up here. And so as you can see, if you're one of these top 3 then you have a high probability of bringing traffic to your website because it's so easy to get to you. All right, and so that's easy. We go to A1 Sewer and Drain or Mr. Rooter or Performance Plumbing, and we see where they're getting citations from, and we just sign up for citations on those same directories. Again, something free and easy we can do right now. Excuse me. So that's all I've got for you. I hope this was informative. As a quick recap, we need to get more content, 1,500 to 2,000 words on your website. You're going to want to get a lot more, probably like 100 of those backlinks, and the good quality ones too, not the spammy ones. And then you're going to want to go out and get on as many directories as possible, hopefully more than your competition, so you can rank up on the Google map. All right. If you want to do all of this yourself, please do. It's free education. I'm trying to help as many business owners as I can. All I ask in return is a little bit of feedback, 1 or 2 lines to tell me if you found value in this information. And if you want help doing it, then give us a call. My phone number is right here, 757-354-2802. Either way, I appreciate you taking the time to watch the video. Have a great day. Thanks and bye.